Hey guys,
Today
we're going to be opening
rainbow corns. Say hi guys. This is our little cousin Azel's water bottle that we bought for her. And these are tumblers. One for me and one for Zoe.
This one is mine.
Here you go.
Which one do you want, Ziv? Sorry, Ziv.
These, we have two of these.
Which one do you want, Zivapi?
We're gonna let's open this first.
Okay. How do you open? Do you know?
Yes, it's right here.
I know how to. Oh, so when we'll open that,
Yes.
so
It has 7 puppies and 3 of the clothes and the accessories. Oh my god. We finally opened this and now I'm gonna open this for my little cousin. Now we're gonna be opening this.
What the hell? What the hell?
Take it out, take it out. Now let's open. You open this, I'll open this.
Thank you.
Oh, I give it. Open this. Let's open this.
It's taking a lot of space.
Now I open this, and this is what this.
Oh. Just eat it. Cop.
Then we have this open. You open this.
This? What the
Yes.
hell? This is what I got.
What, show me? Oh, they're stickers.
Yes, they are.
Guys, look. We got this, and its name is Macy Mac. Now there's something there. I don't really get it. It says that it is pube compound. I don't understand. Now open this one, hon.
This.
It's
I hope it's something good.
gonna be one of the cats.
Huh?
Oh. I'll put this here.
We finally opened this. Now, let's open.
We're gonna press it.
Press. Huh? What's there?
Oh, this is it. The cat's tail.
Yeah.
Wait, can't. Wait. Let me get the scissors.
Why?
We finally open this with the scissors.
What the heck?
Whoa.
Oh, look at this. If we do this, it's so cute.
Hey, look, it has a card. It has a brush.
Oh, look. And from the back.
You're standing on something.
Huh? Look. Ah. It's fur.
And there's an egg in here.
Another egg?
Yes.
Oh, it's mine now.
We could give this to Hazel.
No, it's mine.
Please grab the
Okay, I'm just kidding. We're opening this for Azel.
We have to press it. Huh? We got. What's that?
Oh! It's like ping pong from Huggy. I don't watch Huggy. She watch Huggy. Let me give to.
I just checked. Our cat's name is Cleo.
Yes.
Nice name.
And then we go. Where did it go?
I gave it to Hazel.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And then this is all we got, and we got this too. So this is the end.
Okay, so this is the end now.
Hope you guys have fun. Bye.
Bye.